Have you ever wondered why your collagen powder, your skincare routine, or even your hormone therapy hasn't quite delivered the results you hoped for? You're doing everything right, and yet your skin still feels dry, your joints ache, or your energy just isn't there. Here's the truth. What you eat may be missing the most essential part of the puzzle. This isn't about more supplements, stricter routines, or chasing youth. It's about reconnecting with simple, powerful nourishment, the kind your body understands naturally. In this article, we'll explore 6 everyday fruits that help rebuild collagen, ease joint pain, and balance hormones from within. Especially after 40, when hormonal shifts and slower digestion change everything, these fruits offer a way to heal without overhauling your life. Let's dive in, because number 3 is one almost nobody talks about, but it just might be the game changer your body has been waiting for. Why fruits over supplements after 40? Many women over 40 experience a frustrating disconnect. They invest in collagen supplements, eat clean, and follow skincare regimens, yet still feel like their bodies are slowing down. That's because after 40, digestion becomes less efficient, and synthetic nutrients aren't always well absorbed. Whole fruits, on the other hand, offer a powerful synergy. Vitamin C to spark collagen synthesis, fiber for gut health, water for hydration, and phytonutrients that reduce inflammation and support hormone balance. A 2021 review in Frontiers in Nutrition found that plant-based compounds improve collagen integrity better than hydrolyzed powders in some cases. These 6 fruits are whole-body allies. They don't just target symptoms. They speak your body's language. Number 1. Orange. Oranges may seem simple, even ordinary, but when it comes to skin health, collagen production, and hormonal balance, they're nothing short of extraordinary. For women over 40, this humble fruit can be one of the most powerful tools in your wellness toolkit. One medium orange provides over 70 milligrams of vitamin C, which meets and often exceeds the recommended daily intake. But the real magic isn't just in the vitamin C. It's in the way oranges work synergistically with your body. Oranges are also rich in bioflavonoids like hesperidin and rutin. These plant compounds don't just boost vitamin C absorption. They actively help protect existing collagen from oxidative damage and UV-related breakdown. Why does this matter? Because after age 40, your body naturally slows its production of collagen, and external factors like stress, sun exposure, and poor diet accelerate that decline. Vitamin C plays a vital role in converting proline, an amino acid, into hydroxyproline, a necessary building block for forming strong, stable collagen fibers. A landmark study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that women with higher dietary intake of vitamin C had fewer wrinkles, better skin elasticity, and a lower risk of age-related skin dryness. The benefits weren't just skin deep. Improved collagen production also supported healthier joints and even better mood regulation. Try this. Start your morning with half an orange paired with a handful of raw almonds. The healthy fats in almonds enhance vitamin C absorption and keep your blood sugar steady. Feeling adventurous? Grate orange zest into your chamomile tea or Greek yogurt. It adds a refreshing burst of flavor and an extra dose of antioxidants. Never underestimate the power of a piece of fruit. Sometimes, glowing skin and better hormonal balance begin with the simplest habits, like peeling an orange with purpose. Number 2. Kiwi. When it comes to fruits that work overtime for your health, kiwi quietly earns its place at the top. While small in size, this vibrant green, or golden, fruit is packed with benefits, especially for women over 40 who want to support collagen production, gut health, and hormonal balance naturally. Let's start with the basics. A single golden kiwi contains up to 3 times the vitamin C found in an orange. Since vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, kiwi acts as a powerful trigger for your body to rebuild skin, hair, and connective tissues. But kiwi doesn't stop there. What makes kiwi truly unique is an enzyme called actinidin. This naturally occurring compound helps break down protein during digestion, a function that becomes more important with age. After 40, our bodies naturally produce fewer digestive enzymes, making it harder to absorb the nutrients we need. even from healthy meals. That includes the amino acids needed to build collagen. By improving digestion and nutrient absorption, kiwi ensures that your body can actually use the building blocks you're feeding it. Plus, kiwi is high in fiber and antioxidants, which help calm inflammation in the gut, a major factor in hormone regulation and skin clarity. What's more, kiwi has been shown to increase serotonin levels, which can help ease mood swings and improve sleep. That's thanks to its high antioxidant and fiber content, both of which support gut-brain connection, a key aspect of hormonal stability in midlife and beyond. Try this. For a hormone-friendly, collagen-supporting breakfast, slice up 2 golden kiwis and pair them with a spoonful of soaked chia seeds. You'll get vitamin C, fiber, enzymes, and plant-based omega-3s all in one delicious, digestion-friendly bowl. In a world of overhyped superfoods, kiwi is a quiet hero, supporting your skin, hormones, and gut health with every spoonful. Number 3. Pomegranate. Pomegranate may be one of the most visually stunning fruits on the planet, but its real beauty lies in what it can do for your body, especially during midlife hormonal changes. Beyond its jewel-like seeds and sweet tart flavor, pomegranate is one of the rare fruits that naturally supports estrogen balance. This benefit is due to its rich supply of phytoestrogens, plant compounds that gently mimic estrogen in the body. For women navigating perimenopause or menopause, this subtle hormonal support can make a noticeable difference, without the side effects of synthetic hormone therapy. Pomegranate is also loaded with ellagic acid and punicalagin, 2 potent antioxidants that help protect collagen from oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and even support skin regeneration. These compounds don't just slow down collagen breakdown. They actively help the body preserve and rebuild it. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that pomegranate extract increased skin thickness and decreased oxidative damage in postmenopausal women, 2 major concerns when collagen levels drop and hormonal shifts affect skin tone, elasticity, and healing. Client's story: Carla, 60, have been experiencing frequent hot flashes, dry skin, and a lingering sense of emotional unease. Instead of adding more supplements, she made one small dietary shift: half a cup of fresh pomegranate seeds every morning. After 3 weeks, her skin felt more supple, her hot flashes decreased, and she described a feeling of being grounded again. Try this. Sprinkle pomegranate seeds onto a spinach salad with toasted pumpkin seeds and a drizzle of olive oil. This trio provides phytoestrogens, vitamin E, zinc, and healthy fats, all working in harmony to support both your skin and hormonal system. Pomegranate is more than a pretty fruit. It's a natural, time-tested ally for inner balance and outer radiance. For many women, it's not just nutrition, it's relief in a spoonful of seeds. Number 4. Berries. When you think of collagen-boosting foods, berries may not be the first thing that comes to mind. But don't let their sweet simplicity fool you. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries pack an incredible punch when it comes to skin support, hormone balance, and overall aging well. These colorful fruits are loaded with polyphenol, a class of plant compounds known for their antioxidant properties. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting collagen from oxidative stress, the damage caused by free radicals from UV rays, pollution, and even stress. Without this protection, your body's hard-earned collagen can degrade faster, leaving skin thinner, more wrinkled, and less resilient. What makes berries even more powerful is their content of quercetin and anthocyanins. These compounds have been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, particularly the kind tied to hormonal fluctuations during perimenopause and menopause. For women dealing with skin puffiness, redness, or hormonal acne, berries can offer real relief without any side effects. Additionally, the vitamin C found in strawberries helps your body synthesize new collagen, while the fiber in all berries supports gut health, an essential component of hormone regulation and nutrient absorption. Berries also support microcirculation, helping improve blood flow to the skin. Better circulation means more nutrients delivered to skin cells, which results in a more radiant, even-toned complexion over time. Try this. For a nourishing, collagen-boosting breakfast or snack, blend a handful of mixed berries with unsweetened almond milk, a handful of spinach, and a tablespoon of ground flaxseed. The flax provides omega-3s and hormone-balancing lignans, while the spinach delivers extra antioxidants and minerals your skin craves. Whether fresh, frozen, or blended into a smoothie, berries are more than a colorful garnish. They're a frontline defense for your collagen, your hormones, and your glow. Number 5. Avocado. Yes, it's true. Avocado is technically a fruit, but it's not just any fruit. For women over 40 looking to nourish their skin from the inside out, avocado is one of the most powerful foods you can eat. Its creamy texture isn't just satisfying. It's packed with nutrients that directly support collagen and hormonal health. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, the kind that help keep your skin cells soft, strong, and deeply hydrated. As we age, our skin tends to lose moisture more easily, which can lead to dullness, fine lines, and loss of elasticity. The healthy fats in avocado help maintain your skin's lipid barrier, locking in moisture and boosting that healthy, youthful glow. But the benefits don't stop there. Avocados are also high in vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that works closely with vitamin C to protect collagen fibers from oxidative stress. Together, these vitamins form a powerful team. While vitamin C stimulates new collagen formation, vitamin E helps protect what's already there. According to research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, diets rich in vitamin E and healthy fats are strongly associated with smoother skin, improved elasticity, and even fewer UV-induced skin changes. Avocados also provide B vitamins, magnesium, potassium, and lutein, all of which support skin repair, hormone production, and cellular health. Try this. For a satisfying, skin-loving breakfast or snack, mash half an avocado on sprouted grain toast and sprinkle with hemp seeds for an added boost of omega-3s and protein. Squeeze a little lemon on top for a vitamin C kick and extra flavor. Craving something sweet? Blend avocado with unsweetened cocoa powder, almond milk, and a drizzle of honey to create a creamy, collagen-friendly chocolate smoothie. Whether you enjoy it savory or sweet, avocado is more than trendy toast. It's deep nourishment for your skin, your hormones, and your overall well-being. Number 6. Papaya. Papaya doesn't always get the spotlight, but it absolutely deserves a place in your collagen-boosting routine, especially for women navigating hormonal shifts, joint stiffness, or skin inflammation after 40. This tropical fruit is rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient that helps your body convert amino acids like proline into firm, stable collagen. Just 1 cup of fresh papaya provides more than 80 milligrams of vitamin C, more than your daily requirement. But what makes papaya uniquely powerful is that it offers more than just collagen production support. It helps protect what you've already built. Papaya contains papain, a natural digestive enzyme that enhances protein breakdown and nutrient absorption. After 40, your body's enzyme production naturally declines, which can interfere with digestion and collagen synthesis. Papain gives your digestive system a gentle boost, helping ensure that the collagen-boosting amino acids and nutrients you eat actually get used. In addition, papaya is rich in carotenoids, plant pigments like beta-carotene and lycopene that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in skin and joints. A 2020 study published in Clinical Nutrition found that carotenoid-rich diets significantly decreased markers of skin inflammation, improved tone, and reduced oxidative damage. Key factors in healthy aging. Papaya also supports gut health, which plays a surprising role in hormone balance and collagen metabolism. A calm, well-functioning digestive system is better equipped to regulate estrogen levels and reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down collagen. Try this. Create a vibrant, collagen-loving snack by layering fresh papaya chunks with full-fat Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of walnuts. You'll get vitamin C, healthy fats, protein, and enzymes, all working together to support radiant skin and smoother joints. Papaya is proof that gentle nourishment can be incredibly powerful. The power of pairing fruits plus seeds. These fruits work even better when paired with seeds and healthy fats that enhance their absorption and boost hormone balance. Think of these combinations as collagen super pairings. Orange plus pumpkin seeds. Vitamin C meets zinc to activate collagen synthesis. Kiwi plus chia seeds. Digestion support meets omega-3s and hydration. Pomegranate plus olive oil. Phytoestrogens and healthy fats for hormonal harmony. Papaya plus walnuts. Enzymes, carotenoids, and anti-inflammatory fats. True radiance isn't just about your skin. It's about how you feel in your body. For many women, the shift after 40 isn't just physical. It's emotional. You might feel less seen, more tired, or disconnected from yourself. But here's the reframe. This chapter of life is an invitation, not a decline. You don't need to chase youth. You can choose radiance, a calm, steady glow that comes from treating your body with care, not criticism. It starts in small choices, a fruit bowl instead of processed snack, a walk instead of a worry spiral, a kind word instead of self-judgment. Science agrees. Studies from Harvard and the Mayo Clinic confirm that emotional well-being, daily movement, and real, whole foods are more predictive of healthy aging than any topical cream. Your gentle 7-day collagen reset plan. You don't need a crash diet or expensive products to rebuild collagen. What your body needs is rhythm, consistency, and kindness. This 7-day collagen reset is a gentle, food-first approach that supports digestion, balances hormones, and nourishes your skin, one bite at a time. Day 1. Reignite with citrus. Begin your morning with fresh orange slices and a small handful of raw almonds. At lunch, toss a few blueberries or strawberries into your salad or yogurt. The vitamin C and healthy fats work together to protect and rebuild collagen naturally. Day 2. Smooth Start plus creamy nourishment. Blend a golden kiwi with soaked chia seeds, almond milk, and a handful of spinach. For lunch, enjoy avocado toast with a squeeze of lemon and hemp seeds for a hormone-friendly boost. Day 3. Seeds of balance. Sprinkle pomegranate seeds over a bed of spinach with olive oil and pumpkin seeds. Later, snack on papaya with full-fat Greek yogurt and walnuts to calm inflammation and support your gut. Day 4. Deep repair. Start your morning with warm bone broth simmered with garlic. For simple snack, pair kiwi slices with flaxseed. These combinations boost digestion and collagen-building amino acids. Day 5. Hydration plus healthy fats. Sip citrus-infused water throughout the day. For lunch or dinner, enjoy avocado mixed with roasted pumpkin seeds, cucumber, and a light vinaigrette. Day 6. Glow smoothie. Blend mixed berries, fresh papaya, and chia seeds for a skin-brightening smoothie packed with antioxidants, enzymes, and fiber. Day 7. Reflect and choose. Rest. Breathe. Ask yourself, which habit felt good this week? Whether it's collagen tea, a morning kiwi, or mindful hydration, choose one to carry forward. This reset isn't about perfection. It's about showing up gently for your future self. If you take away one message from this article, let it be this. Your glow isn't gone. Your collagen isn't done. And your best years aren't behind you. With the right support from nature, from food, from simple rituals, you can feel vibrant, connected, and at home in your body again. Healing doesn't need to be complicated. It can start with a spoonful of seeds, a piece of fruit, and a shift in perspective. So what will you try first? Let your next bite be your first step back to radiance. You've got this.